Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're going to be checking out the Colourpop mystery box. Now I have to be real with you guys and completely honest, I have not had the best track record with Colourpop mystery boxes. So I'm not expecting a whole lot with this unboxing today. I mean, not to go into this being super negative, but I have unboxed several this year and I've been so disappointed with them. And yet I keep doing it, but it's also that thrill of not knowing. Like, I have FOMO if I don't do it. So we're unboxing the Black Friday mystery box. And I'm just really hoping there's at least one good item in this that I love. And it's not like hair clips and stickers and like the fake tattoos. I mean, we've had all of those little things before that I just hope we don't have a box that's full of that today. So we're going to unbox this. We're going to find out. We're going to do it together. And hopefully this is a good box. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this Colourpop mystery box, I will be posting it down below. Like I mentioned, this is a Black Friday mystery box, so they did release it a few weeks ago. I ordered it right away, but it did take a while to get here. I think just with shipping and, you know, everybody's ordering everything right now, so it was a little bit slower, but I think it's just the time of year. But this box is $49 to purchase. They have a retail value of $122 on it. They state that there will be 9+ secret full-size items, including a mega surprise. So I have no idea what a mega surprise means, but I'm hoping I'm going to be mega excited. In terms of packaging, this is nothing to be desired. I was kind of shocked because it's literally just a white cardboard box. Usually Colourpop at least gives us something for a mystery box. Like usually it'll say like mystery box. So this is definitely not what I thought it was going to be. What is the big mega surprise? I mean, this doesn't look bad, but I'm just trying to figure out what is the mega. First item that I have in here is one of their Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. This is in the shade Just Imagine, which I think I have this one actually. So it is a full-size liquid lip, and then here is our shade up here at the top. I find, at least because I only buy Colourpop through mystery box form, a lot of their lipsticks look the same. They're all a lot of these terracotta colors. So they're very similar to one another that it's hard to tell them all apart. It's kind of like the only shades they put in their mystery boxes. I also have one of their Super Shock shadows, which these are pretty good. This is in the shade Ripple, and it is a full-size product by default, I feel like. So, I mean, they don't make these any smaller than what it is. This is the only size they make it in. So yes, it does count as a full size, but anyways, I do think the color is really pretty. It's got kind of a blue hint in there. Like there's a touch of blue shimmer, even though it is a purple color. So it is really gorgeous. And like I said, I do think these Super Shock shadows pay off, that you get a lot of pigment. They're really pretty when you put them down. Do you see that shimmer though? Is that not gorgeous? All right, this is a good one. Next item that I have in here is their Feather Effect Brow Pen. Now, I don't think I've gotten a brow product at all from them before. The shade that we have is Black Brown, which might be a bit too dark for me, but still, I want to check it out here. Wow, is that the tiniest little brush you've ever seen? I know it kind of has to be since you're going to be kind of like filling in your brows, but look at it. I mean, it is so tiny. It's not a bad color, actually. I don't know that I would call that a black brown, which is kind of interesting. This looks more light brown to me. So, We also have one of their liquid liners in here. So this is a full-size liquid liner in the shade The Hills, which is a really pretty green color. So this is what it looks like. I love that it's got that blue in there. And then if we do a swatch of this, it is really pretty, you guys. So you definitely see green, but there is blue in that. There is a touch of shimmer. It's like a really light silver. This is a really pretty color, honestly. I will definitely use this product. I like it. This definitely is feeling like a mystery box. I don't think it's bad, but I also am not getting the whole mega, like I haven't found that item yet. We also received one of their blushes in the box, and this is their Super Shock blush in Birthday Suit. This is a satin formula, so it should go down really smooth. It's a little bit bigger of a pan than the eyeshadow. Not by much, but it is a little bit larger. And then, like I said, it is a blush, so you're going to get this really gorgeous pink color. It is really cute. I do like it. So far, I like the colors they're choosing. Outside of the lipstick at the beginning, I like the shades I'm seeing. Now, we do have a palette in here. This one is called Off Melrose. So it looks like we have a full-size eyeshadow palette. I have not seen this one, so I don't really know what our color story is going to be. Maybe it's going to be these kinds of colors here. So inside, you're going to have your 12 pans. Now, there's not a mirror on this, but that's also very typical for Colourpop. They tend to not do that. I don't know why. They just never really have. Then down below, you're going to see your 12 pans. Now, these are smaller. Seriously, these look a lot smaller than my other Colourpop palettes. So I don't know, maybe they're cutting back. Did inflation hit Colourpop? I'm not sure. But this is going to be the color story. It's very basic. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's not a lot of color happening. It's a lot of neutrals, and then you get a little bit of gold in there. There's a couple of pink undertones, but it's fairly simple. Well, this looks interesting. So we have a box that says Such a Rush on it. Is this supposed to be the mega item? Is this what I'm supposed to get excited over? I don't know. Let's see here. No, it just says Such a Rush Cheek Palette. So here's what, okay, well, I don't know. I mean, like, it looks good, but I'm like expecting something really big here. So this one is a highlighter, bronzer, blush palette. So you're going to have 4 pans, and this is what it will look like here. Ooh, these are deep. This looks really, really deep inside. So I do like this highlighter, but man, this is supposed to be your blushes down here. That is a really deep blush tone. I do not think I'm going to be able to use these at all. Like, that is so dark. Maybe this, but even that is really dark for me. So we are up to product number 8 in our box, and my next one is from their Fourth Ray Beauty lineup, which is usually their skincare products. This one is the Youth Boosting Mask. It's a mask that you can wear overnight. It will rejuvenate your skin because it's infused with retinol inside of it. I'm assuming it's a full-size product because they advertised, you know, 9+ full-size items, but I've never had this before, so I just don't know offhand. But it says that it's an overnight success. It will give you a boost to your skin while you sleep, and it's going to help to reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven textured skin, and increase skin firmness after using this product. Now, what I will say is, just in comparison to other products on the market and other overnight masks, this isn't very large. There's not a lot of product here. This is only 1.2 ounces. And a lot of other brands, when you're talking about facial masks, will be several ounces. So this is not a lot. I don't feel like it's going to last very long. So I'm questioning whether or not this is full size, but maybe it is for Colourpop. So last item is number 9. And already I got a bone to pick with them. The listing says 9+ full-size items in here. There is no plus, at least not in my box. I have exactly 9 items in my box. So I do think Colourpop needs to change that on their website, because that is a little bit misleading because you think you're getting more than that, but there are only 9 items in my box. So my last item that I have here is a very large palette. This one's called the It's a Mood Pressed Powder Palette. I'm guessing this is their big mega surprise in the box because it is the largest item in there. That's what I'm going to go with, at least. Wow, there's a lot of shades on here. This has to be the mega. So inside, oh, we have color. Okay, I can get excited now. Yes. Now, what I will say, why do their pans always look used? Do you guys ever feel like this? Like, I always feel like with Colourpop, their pans look like they're pressed weird, or they've got divots, or there's texture. It's always, I don't know, it just looks like it was a bad press when they made this palette. But honestly, you guys, look at all of this color. Now, this is definitely exciting. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up here so you can take a look at these shades. You might be able to see some of that texture that I'm talking about on these pans. They just look a little messy, especially those matte shades. I don't know. I don't feel like it's been used, but it definitely doesn't look like it was their best make on this palette. Maybe that's why it's in the mystery box. Oh my gosh, even up here on the top, if you look, I've got, do you see that? That is pigment. That is all eyeshadow that's been smeared across the top of this. So you see what I mean? Like, they're just kind of dirty. They're kind of, it's just weird to me. So that is everything inside of the Colourpop mystery box for their Black Friday sale. Honestly, you guys, this is the best mystery box I've gotten from Colourpop all year long. I mean, for real. Like I said, I have tried so many of their mystery boxes this year, and usually we do have several filler products in there, like hair clips and tattoos and stickers and just really bad filler products. This didn't have any of that. We got all makeup in here. Well, we had one skincare, but still all usable beauty items. So I'm thrilled about that. I love that there are palettes in here. I do think overall the colors are really good. Like the shades are not, they're not too wacky. They're not too far out there. I do feel like they're wearable. So honestly, I think it's their best mystery box they've done all year long. So comment down below, let me know if you guys snagged one of these or not and what you thought. I also would be curious if you guys buy this box or have gotten it, did we get the same items or did they vary? Like, are the colors different? Did we get different products? So comment down below and fill me in. My understanding is usually we all get the same products when you buy this box, but I would be curious just to confirm that. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of the day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!